Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn and welcome to my channel. I'm so thankful that you are here. If you are not already, look down below and make sure you're subscribed to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, please. It helps me out so much and means so much to me. First off, I want to say that the lipstick I am wearing, I got in my BoxyCharm this month from Dose of Colors and it's in the shade Stone. Y'all, I have been wanting to try one of their lippies. I absolutely am loving this formula. So anyways, just want to say that. But today I'm going to be doing another TJ Maxx eyeshadow palette, and this one's fun because this is one that actually my daughter picked out, my 7-year-old daughter picked out for herself. Sorry if I kind of repeated myself there. But anyways, it's from Color Bash Cosmetics, and I have actually never heard of this brand, but it has metallic and matte eyeshadows, and it's so cute. But we went in there a few weeks ago and we actually saw my long lost best friend, and it was really good to see her. But anyways, yeah, I just thought it'd be fun to do this with one that she picked out. So, oh, and my foundation is a little dark for me. I tried to bring it down the neck, but I've been trying out some makeup that I haven't used in forever and decluttering a whole bunch. I get very overwhelmed when I do my makeup because I've got too much that I know I'll never use. So if y'all want to see a video of the stuff I'm decluttering, let me know if that's something y'all like to see. But anyways, okay, so these do have names and my daughter and I did swatch a couple, but we're gonna go in with this shade right here called Natural and use that to make sure our eyes are good and set. But anyways, yes, my makeup today is just using products I haven't used in a while, and there are some that I did declutter. And it is like a rainy and blech here today, and after I get through with this, we're going grocery shopping. So I didn't feel like doing anything with my hair just for it to frizz up. So sorry, it looks a hot mess. All right, and now we're gonna go in with the shade Bare and start our transition with that. And this did cost $5.99, so we'll see how it works for $5.99. I want to start letting my daughter pick out some eyeshadow palettes for me to do these videos on, because it's just, I've been so excited about this video. Alright, now we're going to go in with the shade Nude and put that in our crease, but I'm not going to put it as high up as I put that other one. I was like swirling my brush around and there wasn't much kick, or there's like no kick up. So I'm hoping the shade isn't really wanting to come off or work or whatever. I think I'm digging my brush in there just to get what little color payoff I'm getting. But I always say, or I always think with palettes like these where the darker colors that you have to really dig and build them up are really great for beginners, because you're getting to work your way up and it's, you know, not too much at once. Because it is building up a little bit, but you have to, you know, work with it. Which, I mean, this is for my 7-year-old daughter, so I don't want it too much. She is so funny though, y'all. She'll be like, Mama, can I go do my makeup? And I'm like, yeah. And then she takes it right off, which is fine with me, But I like her to be able to be creative and fun, so I don't mind her doing it. She doesn't leave the house in it. We are gonna go in with Birthday Suit and work that in the outer corner and deepen it up some. Hopefully this one's a little bit more pigmented. And it's not. Dug it in there a little bit more. Okay, you have to work with it, dig it in there and build it up. Like I said, for me, that's perfect for my 7-year-old, but also perfect for beginners who, like I said, don't want to go in too heavy at first, because building up, it is looking really pretty. And I am working that in the crease just a little bit. It's not too dark, so just adding a little bit of depth to the crease. All right, now I'm gonna go in with Crown. Crown, and put that on my brow bone, or highlight my brow bone with it. I'm gonna take that first blush brush and just kind of blend where those two colors meet so there's no harsh lines. I'm gonna go in with that shade right there called Glitter. And yes, I'm just gonna use my fingers and I'm gonna put that on my lid. Okay, that is a lot of fallout. I'm gonna try it on the other side with a brush and see if that'll work better. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe M167 brush. I'm gonna go in with that shade and then I'm gonna spray it with my Essence Keep It Perfect Fixing Spray. Okay. It's not falling out, so better to use it with a brush. And wow, can you see the difference? Like, it looks so much more metallic-y. I don't know if that's a word, I don't care. But it looks so much more metallic-y. That is so pretty. I'm gonna do it on that side too. Yeah, definitely used a brush and wet it, because whoa. That is really pretty. I am gonna do the rest of my eye makeup off camera, just my eyeliner and my mascara, and set this, and I will be right back. Okay, so my thoughts on this: for $6, I definitely think it's worth it. The packaging is so cute, and yes, you had to kind of dip in those shades a bunch, but since there's not a lot of fallout, it's not like you're gonna go through it that quick. And it is very buildable and very blendable, very easy to work with. And this metallic shade is so gorgeous. So for $6, I definitely think this is worth it. If I can find it at my TJ Maxx again, I will be getting one for my giveaway once I reach 2K. And yeah, I really like this for like an everyday palette or whatever. But anyways, like I said, let me know if y'all would like to see me do a declutter video. And I thought about doing a video like my favorite books and like Netflix shows or whatever. If that's something y'all would be interested in, comment down below and let me know. And I will see you on my next video. Toodles!